gold futures. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in negative MACD. We're slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD as well, and we're approaching to oversold condition with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we are in negative MACD and approaching to oversold condition with the RSI. We have yet to test a 200 moving average, this green line, and that is at price of $1,836.50. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $168.45. My sell target is at $174.35, and my stop loss is at $167.02. My stop, or if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $177.31, and my sell target is at $169.93. My stop loss is at $178.82. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, and we're examining GLD. As we progress to the 5th day, or wicked trading, GLD, or gold futures, has a 33% chance to climb between 0 to 3%. To the downside, it has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%, a 17% chance to fall between negative 3 to negative 5%, and a 17% chance to fall between negative 5 to negative 9%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.